Okay, hello. Continue with the second part of today's lesson. Okay, so now we are going to use workbook, but you don't have, okay? Kenny, you don't have the workbook, huh? So you must depends on teacher's screen. You need to look at my screen. Okay, workbook. Here, teacher give you a passage. You need to answer the comprehension questions. Okay, all these words you learned just now. Okay, you learned just now about frogs and toads. Okay, come, we read together. We read together once, and then you read yourself, and then after that, you must answer the 4 questions. Okay, as a revision, okay, frogs and toads are amphibians. Revision, what is amphibians? Do you still remember? Just now teacher taught you. Toads 蟾蜍，对吗？ Amphibians 两栖动物。Okay, they are cold-blooded animals. 它们都是冷血动物。They lay eggs in the water. Both frogs and toads have long sticky tongues to catch flies. What is sticky? What is sticky? 粘性的，对吗？they have sticky tongues, so they can catch flies. 它们的那个长舌头是可以用来捕捉苍蝇的。Okay, second paragraph, 第二段 come read. The adult frog lives on land and in water. 青蛙是住在陆地和水里。Its hind legs are powerful and long. This enables 就是使它能够。This enables the frog to jump far. 因为后腿长，所以使到它能够 enables the frog to jump far. 使到它们能够跳远。A frog's skin is moist and smooth. What is moist? 潮湿的。Smooth 是滑的。Okay, the adult toad lives mostly on land. 蟾蜍就不一样，蟾蜍呢就大部分时间在陆地上。Its hind legs are shorter than the frog. It can hop, but not as far as the frog. 就是因为它的后腿不够壮，不够强，所以它可以跳，但是跳不够远，因为它只是在陆地上跳罢了。A toad's skin is dry and rough. What is rough? 粗糙的。These animals are important to us because they are part of the food chain. 刚才有解释过哦。它们是食物链的一部分。However, they are decreasing in numbers. We must protect them so that they do not disappear from the earth. Okay. You read and then answer the questions. Okay, we discuss the answer first. Number 1, what are amphibians? 什么是两栖动物？ You must be able to answer. From your understanding, from your science lesson, what are amphibians? 两栖动物是怎样？刚才teacher有讲了的。为什么叫两栖？ It's because of the place, right? The place that they live. Next, number 2. Why do frogs and toads have sticky tongues? This one easy. You can find straight away from the passage. 为什么青蛙和蟾蜍有黏黏的舌头？Where to find it? Just now from paragraph 1. Next, number 3. How do we differentiate? Differentiate 就是辨别、辨认。Okay, differentiate a toad and a frog. 我们怎样去辨别蟾蜍和青蛙？那么我们就要看他们的什么了 ？differences， 对吗？看他们的不同处去找就能够分辨了。例如说他的皮肤还是他的腿是怎样的？Next, number 4. How are these animals important to the environment? 为什么这些动物对我们的环境 重要呢？ Try to answer. I give you 5 minutes. Enough or not? 5 minutes, huh? Next, okay, look at the answer. What are amphibians? What are amphibians? Amphibians are animals that can live in water and on land. 两栖动物就是说它可以住在水里，也可以住在陆地上。Number 2, why do frogs and toads have sticky tongues? 为什么？I have told you from paragraph 1. 他们要做什么？ Last sentence. They have sticky tongues, or you can follow the question. Frogs and toads. Or you use the pronouns they. You can write frogs and toads. Or you use, like teacher here, they. They have sticky tongues so that it is easier to catch flies. Or you can answer because they want to catch flies. Or because the sticky tongues can help them to catch flies. You have so many ways. As well as the point is to catch flies. 重点是你要写到这一题的答案是 to catch flies. Next, number 3. How do we differentiate a toad and a frog? 怎样去分辨它呢？ A toad has dry and rough skin, whereas a frog has moist and smooth skin. This is one of the answer. Or you can base on the hind legs also. 但是我觉得最明显你看到的就是我们辨别它的皮肤。Here the word whereas. What is whereas? 然而。If you want to say something different, other than but, other than however, you can use whereas. Just now teacher mentioned also, right? This morning. 然而 whereas. Next, number 4. How are these animals important to the environment? 为什么这些动物重要？ Where can you find the answer? Last paragraph, right? Last paragraph. They are important. Or you follow the question, 你也可以跟着写 these animals. 或者你不要用 these animals, 你就用代名词咯 they. They are important to the environment because they are part of the food chain. 它们是食物链的其中一部分。Clear? Check your answers carefully. Teacher will post in the Google Classroom also. Okay, new vocabulary. You need to learn this new vocabulary before you can answer another question. Okay, now pay attention. Life cycle. Life cycle means 生命周期。You must remember well. Later you need to answer questions. Pay attention. 注意听，不然等下的练习不会做的。Next. Hatch. What is hatch? 孵化。Okay, hatch means 孵化。Larva. What is larva? 幼虫。Larva, 幼虫。Variation. Variation comes from the word vary. Vary 是不同，所以 variation 是什么呢？变化它的变化 variation。好像说从蝌蚪变青蛙它的 variation 变化。Marking. Marking, one of the meaning is 批改，对吗？改书 marking. Another meaning is 印记名词来的 marking 印记。如果你讲 marking books， 那个是动词。Shades 什么？蜕皮，就是它换它的壳换它的皮蜕皮 shades。shades 名词是那个避雨的 ，OK， 遮太阳的那个 shades 一样的 spelling。给 distinction sorry, distinctive. Distinctive means 与众不同的，与众不同 ，distinctive。Pupa larva 是幼虫 ，pupa 是蛹，听过吗？哈，蛹蝴蝶蛹 pupa。attach 是粘住，粘住。Okay, all these words will appear in the exercise that you need to complete. Okay, 你们要回答这边的问题。Look at the life cycle of a ladybird. 这是 ladybird 甲虫，甲虫的生理周期生命周期。OK， 甲虫的生命周期那些字刚才全部有的。OK， 有没有记好来了？So you read from the life cycle, and then you complete the passage. Okay, start now. Okay, check the answers, please. The ladybird is a bug in yellow, red, or orange colors with black spots on it. The ladybird lays eggs once or more in a year, depending on the species of the ladybird. It lays 40 eggs at once, which take 4 to 10 days to hatch. 孵化需要4到10天。After hatching, it becomes a larva. 变成什么幼虫 that has variation of markings and colors 它们有不同的记号，不同的颜色。The larva sheds its skin， 它会蜕皮，它会换它的皮 4 times over a period of 3 to 6 weeks， 3到6个星期里面，它会换皮4次。Next, it becomes a pupa that attaches to a leaf 它会粘在叶子上 up to 2 weeks， 就好像那个蝴蝶这样啦粘在叶子上。During this stage， 在这个阶段 the pupa undergoes the process of metamorphosis in which lots of changes happen inside 它是没有动了的，包在里面静静的。Finally, it becomes a ladybird. It is yellow in color at first before changing into distinctive colors and patterns after a few hours. Then the life cycle repeats 然后它又重复Okay, check your answers. You need to complete this in your Google Classroom too. Okay?